Okay, today I'm going to show you how to clean and re-oil a K&N oiled air filter with the recharger kit here. Okay, first things first, I'm going to take cover off. This is the same procedure for the cone-shaped one as well. Okay, so what you want to do is grab the cleaner. Okay, then you're going to want to spray the cleaner all over the air filter here. Okay, and remember to only spray the outside of the air filter. And I got all of that done. Now I'm going to let it sit for 10 minutes.
A few moments later.
Okay, now that that's been soaking in the cleaner for 10 minutes, we're going to go ahead with low pressure water and just wash the inside of it. Wash the inside of it. And this one's not that dirty, so if yours was dirty, you might have to do another cleaning cycle after that. This one didn't look that bad. Yeah, it's coming out pretty good here. Perfect. Okay, now before we re-oil this, we have to wait for it to be completely dry. That's the next step. I don't know how long that will take.
It's a waiting game right now. We won't know.
Okay, it's dried off. That took a whole day to dry off. So now what you want to do is make sure you shake this. This is your air filter oil, the other canister that comes in there. This is the aerosol one. Just from about this far back, just go up and down the pleats like that until the whole thing is covered up. And then go over it again to make sure you didn't miss any spots. Okay, it's been 20 minutes, it's all soaked up, so now you want to go and just clean up these little parts here, the edges of the filter. Well, I was waiting for the air filter to soak up all that new filter oil. I went ahead and cleaned up the old air cleaner lid. Okay, now I just put it back in there. And you're ready to go.